everyone and welcome back to my channel Orange West. My name is Kiran and in today's video we are going to talk about money. So as I said earlier, this is the 2022 series where I talk about lot of different topics and today's video is about money. So like having a money mindset and everything about money, from financial freedom to how to earn money and how to spend, how to save, everything we are going to talk about in brief, not a very long video. So if it is something that you can relate to or you want to become financially freedom in 2022, watch this whole video, and without further ado, let's start with this video. Okay, so the most important thing about all this money and everything is that how to earn money. That is the most important question. So in today's world, it is a digital world and it is possible for us to like make money through various different skills, right? Because gone are the times when we have to like learn and go get a specific degree and after that do a specific job and then only to earn money. No, these times are changed now, and along with your studies, along with doing your jobs, you can also earn money sideways. So for that, what is important? Is like you have to learn a specific skill. So if you want to become financially free in 2022, focus on learning a skill, any skill which you like. It doesn't have to be like some very high-tech skill. No, any specific skill you can learn, and nowadays every skill has a specific marketplace for it. So if you learn a specific skill, along with that try to learn like how to market yourself, try to understand different markets for that skill and some digital marketing and all of that things. And once you do that simultaneously, master that skill and put yourself out there. And once you put yourself out there, you can easily like earn money and become financially free in 2022. So that is the first tip, like how to become financially free, and this was the first point. Hope you get the idea like how to do everything, and yeah, that's it. Second point is about mindset of money. So having a money mindset is also very important nowadays, because like you have to understand your relationship with money. Money is an energy. It is not like only cash and all of that. No, money it is a form of energy, and you have to like have a good relationship with it. You should understand it, like you should understand yourself also and how you deal with money also. So if you like have scarcity, if you fear of like what if I don't have money and everything, like try to understand yourself, like how you feel around the topic of money, what are your thoughts about it, how is your like worries regarding money, how you feel about money. So try to think of that, try to make a positive relationship with money and like understand yourself, and always have a abundance mindset. So your mindset should be always abundant. It should be not something that comes from scarcity. So try to understand that and focus on this thing, learning on these things about money, and then like you will eventually gradually this thing learning all these things takes time, but gradually you will learn about everything, and then once you learn, it is very easy for us to like handle money, to feel like secure around money. So that is the important thing which you should learn. So the third point which I want to talk about money is having authority towards your money. So I have seen many cases where, mostly in case of women, like they go to the job, they earn the money and then they give that money to the parents or like to the bigger brother or to like their husband. They give their money to them, and then that person gives them order like how you should handle your money, like what you should do with your money, and they give them money to like do their daily activities and all of that thing. So this is totally wrong practice according to me. This should not be done, and you should be the person who should be handling your own money. You should like take the decision what I am going to do with my money, where I am going to spend it, and what I want with it. So it should be totally your decision, and no one should like order you or tell you like what you have to do with your own money. Like obviously you can take guidance from others, but guidance and order are totally different things. So you have to like differentiate the process, and like you should take the authority, you should handle your own money and learn how to take care of it, and that's it. And you should always handle your own money and never like give it into the other person's hand, like your own money, and you have to then ask for them for your own money. So this is totally wrong practice, and if you're doing that kind of thing, like please stop it and like just take care of your own money and handle it properly. So the fourth point which I want to talk about money is investing your money. So in nowadays, investing your money is very important process, because investing money will help to grow the money. So I am also new to this process. I am also learning things about investing money. So I also want you all to learn about investing your money. Go do a deep research about how to do the whole process, and then only invest your money. Don't like recklessly do anything. No, don't do such a thing. Like first do the research, understand how it works and everything, and then only invest your money. But make sure to invest your money, because that is when like you will like grow your money, and like you will become more financial free. So that was the whole point about investing your money. And the last thing which I want to talk about is like spending your money wisely, respecting your money and spending it wisely. So like you should love your money, you should respect your money, like you should treat money as your other person, like your friend or your boyfriend or something like that, and you should like respect him. You should always respect him or whatever. Respect him. You should always respect money. You should take care of it, and you should spend it wisely. So it's like I have seen many people who like earns money, they like spend it on random things which are not really required, and like they spend their money on very random and nonsense things. So I have seen people like that. So that's why I'm putting forward this point, like if you earn money and if you're like well acquainted, it doesn't mean like you will go and like spend your money on any stupid things. No, you have to spend your money wisely on things which are really needed and things which you really desire, and not on any random particular things. So yeah, this was the whole video about money, and I hope you liked this video, found it useful, and so like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time with other video. Bye.